Welcome again to my channel. My name is Chrysa Vafeiadi. I'm a certified physiotherapist, and today we're going to talk about when you need to ask for help if you have back pain. Back pain is one of the most common pathologies that are really debilitating for our daily activities and for our daily lives, and is also one of the most pathologies that actually influences our psychology too. And it can become chronic like in an instant. The age group, unfortunately, recently has been from 30 years old to 70, 80, which is something that may have happened because of our lifestyle. We are all sitting on a desk, having office-based jobs. We are working from home as well. So even this small walking to the tube or to take our car has become less and less. So less activity, more sitting positions. You may have back pain also after an injury, obviously, but unfortunately the most common reason is actually the lifestyle. The lack of exercise, lack of good nutrition, but you may also have back pain due to an injury. You may also have back pain due to degeneration and getting older and having osteoporosis or having osteoarthritis. That can be another reason of having back pain. You may have also back pain because of carrying and heavy lifting, but not just after lifting something heavy, if you're doing that for long periods. So there are lots of reasons. The thing is, when do we need to ask for help? And when do you need to see a specialist and a physiotherapist? So, to keep it simple, if the pain doesn't go away after a few days after taking a paracetamol or a medication, then you need to ask for help. So even if it is something really simple, after doing an exercise and you have a muscle pull or you do a stretch and you have a back pain, you need to see a physio for sure after having a pain after exercise, because the physio can help you to decrease the pain and not to have any chronic pain, because if you leave it, then that can become chronic and that can actually influence your life and you may suffer from nothing. So this is really important. So even if you stretch a muscle, pull a muscle, and you have a pain after an exercise, you need to see a specialist. Then also, if you have back pain that is constant and goes down to your legs or to your arms, then is when you need to see a physio and a doctor too. Another reason can be if you have an injury, obviously you need to see a specialist. If you have numbness and tingling going down to your legs, or numbness, or having sharp pain down the legs, or you have a burning sensation, that's another reason. And what can become a red flag when you need to go to the doctor or even go to the hospital if you have those symptoms is when you have burning sensation on the pelvic floor and numbness and tingling in combination with sharp pain on your lumbar spine. So that can be a red flag. Or if you have incontinence, or if you have a history of cancer and you have sharp pain on your back at night. And in combination with that, if you have loss of weight, like lots of loss of weight in the last few days. So loss of weight, history of cancer, pain at night, and pain that doesn't go away with any movements, or it doesn't come with any movements, it's there all the time. So those 3-4 things together can be a red flag, and you need to see a doctor immediately so that you can see if there is any more severe injuries or if there is any other medical reasons that you may have back pain. So all of those things are the main reasons that you need to see a physio or a doctor, or you need to go to the hospital. Back pain, it is something that can actually be debilitating. As we said, it is one of the most chronic pains that we see in our clinic. And there are lots of things that you can do for your chronic pain or for your sharp pain, acute pain. And the first thing when we have just a little bit of back pain is to see a physio, see a doctor, address it. Don't leave it that it's going to go away by itself, because if you do so, then it can be chronic and the results can be really bad for the rest of your life. So it's really important to see a specialist when needed. I hope that you enjoyed our video and that we answered a few of your questions. If you have any comments or any questions, please drop us a comment. And as always, if you liked our video, please press like and subscribe to our channel for more.